Previously, I showed you how to remove the annoying beep sound in this oven. It was relatively easy. All you have to do is open it and remove the speaker. Today, we're going to do the exact same thing for a microwave. Here's the back of the microwave that we'll be working on. There's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 screws are holding the shell in place. Most likely your shell is in one piece as well. So it's this one piece right here from the right, top, and left. Go ahead and remove them. Most likely there are Phillips screws. Now if you look closely on the right hand side, these are security screws. They really don't want you to be opening microwaves up because inside there's a lot of components that can kill you. But don't worry, I'm going to guide you safely so that you don't kill yourself. To remove the screw, most likely you don't have the bits to remove it. So in this case, we're going to be using a Dremel. In order to remove the metal screw, we need metal cutoff disc, and that's what you're seeing right here. I loaded it up into the Dremel. Use your Dremel and a metal cutoff disc to score a straight line straight across that metal screw. Once you have a line, go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver. The flathead screwdriver can then easily open this screw by turning it counterclockwise. After removing all the screws from your shell, go ahead and hold the back of it and then pull it away from the microwave. You can see that mine just slid away. Once your microwave cover is off, you should see something like this. Focus on the left hand side, which is the front of the microwave, and try your best not to touch any of these things that's in the back. These things can kill you. I know even though the microwave is off, you can still kill yourself. Now look closely at the left side, which is the back of the front of the microwave, if that makes any sense. You should see something like this. And even on the board, it should be labeled Speaker 1. SP1, which is speaker 1. This whole piece right here is the speaker itself. If you want to lower the volume of your speaker, you can go ahead and use a bunch of rubber tape such as electrical tape, layer it, multi-layer it, so that it will lower the volume substantially. Or if you're like me and just don't care about the volume, then go ahead and use a small plier and crush this thing just as we did with the oven. Here you can see mine is totally crushed. And upon crushing it, and then I realized, you know what? Every time I push the button on a microwave, I don't hear any feedback. And now I realize how annoying that is. Because suppose you want to enter 5 minutes, you want to hear the beep, 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 and then another beep for start, right? Well, mine no longer has that feedback anymore. Oops. Alright, now that you're done with silencing the speaker or destroying the speaker, I let you decide. Go ahead and do everything in reverse. Put the microwave back in its original shape. Alright, let's do a quick demo. We're going to enter 5 seconds, hit start, and then you'll see that once it ends, it does not make any sound whatsoever at all. Alright, hopefully this video helps you stop that annoying beep on your microwave, on your appliances. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.